Homeowners in Sterling Heights are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort, lower energy bills, and enhance the overall look of their homes. One upgrade that delivers on all three fronts is the installation of picture windows. Known for their expansive glass design and unobstructed views, picture windows are also a powerful ally when it comes to energy efficiency, especially in Michigan's ever-changing climate. What makes picture windows energy efficient? Picture windows are fixed windows, meaning they don't open or close. While that might seem like a limitation at first, it's actually one of their biggest advantages. Because they don't have moving parts, picture windows eliminate common air leakage points found in operable windows. This tight seal helps keep warm air inside during the winter and hot air out during the summer, creating a more stable indoor temperature year-round. For Sterling Heights homeowners who experience freezing winters and humid summers, that consistency can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and monthly energy costs. Maximizing natural light without losing efficiency. One of the most appealing features of picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a home. Large glass panels allow sunlight to flood living spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This alone can help cut down on electricity usage. Modern picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many use advanced glass technologies, such as double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low-E, coatings. These features allow sunlight to enter while reflecting heat back into the room during winter and blocking excessive heat in the summer. The result is bright, sun-filled rooms that stay comfortable without overworking your heating or cooling system. Improved insulation. For Michigan weather. Sterling Heights homeowners know that insulation matters. Picture windows often feature insulated frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, all of which help reduce heat transfer. When paired with insulated glass and gas fills between panes, these windows create an effective barrier against outdoor temperatures. This improved insulation means your furnace doesn't have to run as often in winter, and your air conditioner won't need to work overtime in summer. Over time, that reduced strain can lead to lower utility bills and a longer lifespan for your HVAC system. Fewer drafts, more comfort. Drafty windows are a common source of discomfort in many homes. Because picture windows are sealed units, they significantly reduce drafts compared to older or poorly installed windows. Homeowners often notice fewer cold spots near windows in winter and less heat buildup during warmer months. This even temperature distribution makes living spaces more enjoyable and functional, whether you're relaxing in the living room, working from home, or hosting guests. Long-term savings and home value. While energy efficiency is a major benefit, picture windows also add long-term value. Lower energy bills month after month can add up to substantial savings over the years. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers, making picture windows a smart investment if you ever plan to sell your Sterling Heights home. Beyond savings, the modern, open feel created by picture windows enhances curb appeal and interior aesthetics, giving homes a clean, updated look that never goes out of style. A smart choice for Sterling Heights homes. Picture windows are more than just a design feature. They're a practical solution for homeowners who want better energy efficiency, increased comfort, and beautiful views. With fewer air leaks, better insulation, and enhanced natural lighting, they're especially well suited for the climate challenges faced in Sterling Heights. For homeowners seeking a window upgrade that delivers both immediate comfort and long-term savings, picture windows are a clear, energy-efficient choice.